Huh? Are you shameless? You're here again. Huh?
We don't accept the defeat easily.
Until and unless we get justice to this girl's issue, we will not accept our defeat.
You're a government staff, right? Are you not ashamed to be roaming with these jobless people in this town? Come to the bank tomorrow. Let's have a conversation alone.
You always want to speak to women when she is alone.
If I want to have a conversation alone or in a group, I'll be the one who decides it. You guys, please leave from here.
What happened? Oh, wait. Listen to me, let them go.
What are you doing over here? Go and prepare tea. Just go.
Look, this tea can be prepared by adding little milk, sugar, tea powder, by boiling them together. But it is not written anywhere that only women can prepare the tea.
Oh ho. So you guys are here to teach me how to prepare a tea.
Not only tea, we will teach you all other lessons which you don't know. Then only we are leaving from here.
You know Women Equality Association? She is the executive member there, Nirosha. We heard you're torturing her every day in your bank.
I won't torture her. I only teach her how to sing a song. Government pays a salary for the work we do, not for chatting over the phone. Look at the dress code of this government employee. It is okay for the Miss Femina catwalk competition. Che, look at the reservation counter at any railway station. There will be a long queue for the tickets. But the one issuing the tickets will always be a woman. The feminist group does not need to work hard. Only harassment to get the government job.
Your mother is also a woman.
Yes, I did not say no to it. But I really don't want to compare you dogs with my mother.
What did you say? Are we dogs?
Not just a normal dog. A rabies dog.
Yeah.
Rabies dog.
Hey, you don't know about us. If a girl gives a written complaint, there will be no inquiries. Direct jail.
There is no need of any proof. Just one word. One word by a woman is enough for you.
I know about it. I know you have blackmailed big people using the names of chocolate and ice creams. Many politicians hang out with you guys just to get votes. If you have won the elections too, don't you dare to play those games with me.
What will you do if we do that?
Should I show what I can do? Wait a minute, I'll show it to you.
Let's go, run.
Oh, you are the real man, sir. Seriously, today I'm telling you this.
Vasundhara ran like one horse. Usain Bolt only would have lost in front of her.
If you run like this, you'll beat Usain Bolt only. He is only running on synthetic tracks, right? If not, jumping a 4 feet compound is not a small
At
deal,
the
right?
small age only she was expert in jumping the walls.
Hey!
But still I missed to see that scene.
By the way, Thambi sir, I really appreciate your courage. Sir, on what behalf are you staying with that wife of yours in the same house? A lion's den is safer than this one.
You got this job in your father-in-law's money only, right? Then it will be like that only.
Our wives are running only after seeing Govinda Kutti's wife, right?
You said it right.
Did she say anything to you?
Hey, she does not take it as a serious matter. Moreover, whatever I say is ultimate for her. I decide everything. That is her mentality. What I don't understand is Nirosha's issue. Till yesterday she was behaving like an innocent cat. In just one day, she changed a lot.
She has only executed. All plans are done by our wives.
Whoever thought her, she should not have done that.
Govinda Kutti, sir. Why don't you give a quotation for this?
Whatever it may be, they need one shock treatment. If simply you let her off, then later on she will sit on your head. Be ready with your next plan. We are all ready for it. What do you say, guys?
What is this? Are you not done with washing yet? By the way, do you need my help?
No, thank you so much. I don't want to get beaten up from you.
Oh, that is the matter. You did not like it when I chased your friends outside, right? Isn't it?
Why don't you have a good opinion and angry about all the women? You're totally filled with poison. God, how do I show my face in front of those women?
Good woman.
You did not like this point. That husband should help the wife in household works. That's it, right? If you wanted someone to do your household works, why did you have to get married to me and bring me? You could have brought a maid instead.
Listen to me, dear. In order to please me or keep me happy, or else in order to do the household work, I did not marry you. I needed someone in my life to share my feelings. It could be small or big. That is how I see you.
But I don't see anything of that. I'm having a lesser position than a maid in this house actually. Remember, I did not come here with empty hands.
Yes. With your father Gangadhar's money, I purchased this bungalow and an Audi car and enjoying it. This is not only your problem. All the womenkind are like this. They'll bring little money from their parents. They'll hold account for every penny in their parents' money. With your husband's money, you'll go to all the clothes shop, jewelry shop and do the shopping. There's no account and value to that money. Till yesterday, there was no differences between me and you in this house. But now, even that happened. It's good.
Dad, I have a doubt. Do I belong to you or mother?
Huh?
Or else both of you?
What?
Please count before you leave.
Hey, you idiot lady! What is this?
This is just a notice. If you take a loan and don't pay on time, then you will get a notice.
You should have checked it before sending the notice.
Sir, this is a small mistake. That is,
For you, it is a very small mistake. For my daughter's wedding, I have pledged my own house documents and got the loan. And I have cleared it also. Now we are sending notice. If the records are inside the bank, you have sent me the false notice.
Sir, please, I'm sorry.
Because of your mistake, I look like a criminal. My daughter also got insulted very badly. Now she is suffering.
It's you. How come you are here?
I'm the manager here. What is your problem?
The loan has already been cleared. She sent a false notice. My daughter has consumed poison because of this.
Sir, you are like one god to me. If something happens to his daughter, then I'm going to kill her. I'm leaving you because of sir. Let's go.
Hey, take this and leave.
Oh God!
This bank had good reputation till today. Now Gundas are coming inside because of you. If this happens again, I'll dismiss you myself. What are you doing, man?
Nothing, sir.
Go and mind your business.
What is this girl?
Nowadays, that fellow is crossing his limits. Till today, he was harassing her alone in the bank. And today, he's brought some men as well. We should not accept this.
This is definitely a pre-planned one. It's a well-rehearsed drama. Otherwise, how can he be there at that time?
He wants to prove that a rowdy himself is scared of him. He's that kind of a don.
Look, if you don't sign this complaint, you will definitely be killed by this guy one or the other day.
Ayyo, ma'am, giving such a complaint is not correct. I feel it is too much.
This is a problem. She's not strong enough. If the complaint is supported by 10 to 50 people, it can be easily lodged in Women's Commission. Please write the complaint.
During the lunch hour, I went to the washroom. All of a sudden, Govindan Kutti appeared there. And suddenly he hugged me. I tried a lot to escape, but I couldn't move. And then, he raped me.
Hey, please come here. Sign here. Over the generations, women were harassed, but now we are taking a revolutionary step against it. Is it not a good news?
Congrats.
Hey, what happened?
What
happened? Oh, shit. What happened? Why did the power go now? Yashoda, can you call the EB office now?
Okay. They have disconnected the receiver.
God.
They always do the same thing.
Then Sizzly, call your husband.
Ayyo, what is this? Are you not ashamed to call him? You always say women equality and 50-50, but now what?
I don't think it's wrong to call him today. We can't sleep without electricity.
Not required. We'll not run behind anybody. If you all help hold the ladder, that's enough. I will manage to fix the fuse.
Careful, be careful. Be careful.
Yeah.
Is it ready? Oh my God! Run!
Please help me!
Fire force is coming! Dad, what happened? You look a bit upset today.
One more register letter has come. Manju received it. Since then, she's sitting inside and locked the room. She didn't come out.
What letter?
Today she's not taken a drop of water.
I asked her many times. If she says something, I can understand, right?
We don't know what happened.
What is your new problem today? What is this? Oh, is that it? Were you upset for this thing?
Is it a small thing? You cannot ignore this. This is not a small thing at all. It's a summons from Women's Commission. Your staff has given the complaint.
I know about it. She has given a complaint and they've sent me the summons for the inquiry. That's all. If I go there personally and clarify the matter, the case will be dismissed.
How's that possible? The case is about rape attempt now.
It is absolutely a fake complaint and I will prove it.
Is it a fake complaint? How can an unmarried girl lodge a complaint that she was tried to rape?
Listen to me. Nowadays, in spite of trusting me or trusting your cheap friends, isn't it? Don't behave like them, please.
Tomorrow this is going to come in newspapers and also in TV channels. Then
Let the newspaper or channel publish whatever they want. I don't care about it. But you're not trusting me and it hurts.
hereafter, how can I face everyone?
Oh, now that is your problem. How can you face everyone? How can you leave? In situations like this, instead of supporting your husband, you're thinking about your own problems. Listen to me, Manju.
You please don't touch me.